Tinnitus, a condition that affects millions of people worldwide, is characterized by ringing, buzzing, or whistling in the ears. But beyond the noises, tinnitus can have a profound impact on day-to-day life. For those who suffer from tinnitus, the sounds can be constant and disruptive. But tinnitus is more than just a noise. It can lead to sleep disturbances, stress, and even depression. It can be really tough, especially at night. I have trouble sleeping because the ringing in my ears is so loud. And it can be hard to concentrate during the day. So what causes tinnitus? The exact cause is not always clear, but it can be linked to a number of factors including noise-induced hearing loss, ear infections, certain medications, and even stress. Tinnitus can also be a symptom of a more serious underlying condition, such as Meniere's disease or a tumor. That's why it's important to see a doctor if you're experiencing symptoms. While there is currently no cure for tinnitus, there are a number of treatment options available. These can include sound therapy, counseling, and even cognitive behavioral therapy. Or try new Quietum Plus today. Quietum Plus, how does it work? According to the latest research, tinnitus goes much deeper than your ears, inside your brain. It's all linked to a wire that carries electrical signals and sounds from your ear cells to your brain networks. Ear ringing and whooshing happen when this wire gets damaged and messes up sounds. The solution is to feed, regenerate, and rebuild it so it will be in perfect harmony with your brain and carry sounds perfectly. Quietum Plus ingredients are backed by hundreds of clinical studies. They combine powerful plants with modern medicine and technology. Living with tinnitus can be challenging, but it's important to remember that help is available. With the right support and treatment, it is possible to manage the symptoms and live a full and satisfying life.